What's up guys, Spin Firearms here, and today we're going to compare two awesome firearms from Glock. The Glock 19 Gen 3 with a 15 round magazine, chamber 9mm, and then the Glock 48, which is also 9mm, 15 rounds with the Shield Arms aftermarket mags and mag catch. Now, these are very similar, but also very different. So let's start with the size comparison. Both holding 15 rounds. They're going to be the exact same height. But look at that slide width difference. There's a big difference because a Glock 43X and 48 frame can take 43 slides, which are very thin, like you can see there. And also the grip gets a little thicker as it goes down on the 48 and 43X, but it never reaches the size of a 19. So it's going to be about 0.16 inches thinner, which is really nice for concealed carry. Now, if you don't mind carrying with a longer slide and barrel, I'm not a big fan of it. But the 48 is a tad bit longer than the Glock 19. The Glock 19 is a 4-inch barrel, whereas the 48 has a 4.19-inch barrel. Now, the main difference between them is the Glock 19 is a proven firearm for years and years and years, battle tested, literally everything. And it takes OEM magazines, which is the most important thing because reliability is huge in self-defense and home defense encounters. And so knowing that you have Glock mags, which are about as reliable as it gets, is huge. The fact that for the 48 you sort of have to go to an aftermarket company is a little sketchy, considering the track record with how about 50% of the people they work for, the other 50% they don't. I don't get why that is the way it is, but that's the way it is. But if you don't mind carrying that longer slide, this is the best carry option you could go with. But for the best overall firearm, I think the Glock 19 would be better, especially if crap hit the fan. When it comes down to parts availability, magazines, literally anything, the Glock 19 I think takes it as an overall firearm. But you can't go wrong with either of them. They're both great options. What I would say the 48 really has over the 19 is the grip angle and the feel of this grip. The 43X and 48 have the best grip angle. They also have the best trigger. It's even better than my Glock 26 Gen 5 MOS trigger. It's very crisp, a lot less spongy, and it has a much quicker reset. I'm not sure why that is, why it varies so much, but my 19 Gen 3 seems to have a much spongier trigger. So I mean, you can weigh out the pros and cons, but you can't go wrong with either. Just I do like using Glock OEM mags, so that's my only thing. But they're both great firearms, can't go wrong with either of them. Thanks for watching.